Now, from the makers of the original Star Shower laser light comes the brand new Star Shower Slideshow, the latest innovation in holiday decorating. You'll transform your home for any holiday. Just plug it in, pick a slide, and play. Wow! Instantly, your home will be bursting with bright and beautiful dancing designs across your home. The Star Shower Slideshow is engineered with easy slide technology. Pick your slide and just slip it into place. It's foolproof and easy, and the kids will love it. And best of all, the Star Shower Slideshow is water resistant, so you can keep it in the ground all year round. It shines bright throughout the night, even during a winter blizzard. And there is even a 3-speed toggle. Press to the left and watch the holiday designs slowly dance across your house. Press to the right and they quickly fly across your home. Or choose to freeze the action by pressing in the middle. The choice is yours. Star Shower Slideshow comes with an amazing 12 different slides celebrating every holiday. There are 6 different Christmas slides to choose from, and each one brings that special joy that only Christmas can bring. And it's so easy. Just slide it in and enjoy the show. It's bright, colorful, and beautiful. But it's not just for Christmas. The Star Shower Slideshow comes with fun-filled slides for every holiday, so you'll celebrate all year long. And because Halloween is another decorating favorite, Star Shower Slideshow has ghosts, bats, and spooky pumpkins that will thrill every trick-or-treater. Dressing in costumes is fun for you. Now, dress up your home for Halloween too. Add a heart-filled slide for every loving occasion, any special day. There's a slide with the brightest birthday balloons to light up your special day. Kids just love them. Easter eggs and rabbits for a fun-filled springtime celebration. There's even a sparkling fireworks slide for a 4th of July backyard barbecue, New Year's Eve midnight treat, or even a wedding day celebration or engagement. Star Shower Slideshow has a weatherproof casing and 4 powerful LED lights that consume more than 50 times less energy than regular lights while projecting the brightest images. The motion effect motor rotates the images at the speed you choose. American engineered, the Star Shower Slideshow will light up your life all year long.
You could easily spend over 25,000 pesos creating that perfect party, special occasion, Valentine's, Halloween, or Christmas ambience with gorgeous decorations and lights to dazzle and impress all your guests and to be the talk of the neighborhood. Amazing! But here today, you're not going to pay anywhere close to that amount.